Welcome back to the Social Media Marketing Masterclass. In the previous lessons, we've laid the groundwork for understanding how social media has changed and why creating great content is so important. Now, we're diving deep into a critical element that separates the successful from the struggling: finding your niche. It's time to stop trying to be everything to everyone and start focusing on being everything to someone. Ready to unlock the power of a hyper-focused approach? Let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated.
Think of social media as a bustling marketplace. If you set up a stall selling everything, from shoes to books to groceries, you'll probably attract some attention, but most people will just pass by. However, if you open a specialist shop, let's say, selling artisan coffee, you'll attract a smaller number of people, but they will be genuinely passionate about what you offer. This is the power of niching down. So, what does this mean for you? Let's compare a broad approach versus a niche approach. With a broad approach, you're trying to appeal to everyone, hoping something sticks. This can lead to attracting a lot of passive viewers who may not really be interested in what you're offering. On the other hand, a niche approach is about selecting a specific segment of the market. This involves targeting a particular group of people with shared interests or needs. Instead of casting a wide net, you're using a spear, focusing your efforts on a smaller, more targeted audience. The beauty of niching down is that it allows you to create content that deeply resonates with your audience. It allows you to become the expert, the go-to source, for a specific topic, building a loyal community of followers who value your specific knowledge and perspective. When you know exactly who you're talking to, you can tailor your message to meet their exact needs. Okay, so how do you actually find your niche? Let's walk through some practical steps that you can take right now. Start with your passion and expertise. What are you genuinely interested in? What do you know a lot about? If you're a fitness coach, you might focus on high-intensity training for busy professionals. If you're a plumber, you may focus on explaining how to fix common plumbing issues. Start with what comes naturally to you. Identify your ideal audience. Who are you trying to help? What are their interests, challenges, and goals? For example, if you're a chef, are you targeting busy parents, health-conscious individuals, or aspiring bakers? Use Google Trends and social media analytics to understand what people are searching for and talking about. Research existing niches. What are the current trends and underserved areas in your chosen field? Is there a particular topic or interest that is popular but lacks in-depth coverage? This will help you identify opportunities where you can make a significant impact. Test your ideas. Start creating content around a couple of potential niche topics and see what gets the best response. Pay attention to comments, shares, and overall audience engagement to see what is sticking with your audience. Remember, your niche isn't just a topic, it's a community. It's a group of people who share a specific interest, that are looking for specific answers to their problems. Your goal is to provide unique and valuable content that meets the needs of that specific audience. This will create a sense of belonging among your followers. Now here's the crucial part. Niching down doesn't mean limiting yourself. It means focusing your energy. It allows you to create content with depth, becoming the go-to person in your specific area. When your content is laser-focused, it attracts those who are genuinely interested, and you're going to have better engagement and loyalty. This will allow you to stand out in the crowded space of social media. Whether you're passionate about vintage cars, sustainable living, or the latest tech gadgets, niching down helps you connect with the people who care about those things as much as you do. By creating content that's relevant and valuable to your niche, you are effectively aligning with the interest graph. This ensures your content is more likely to be seen by the right people, even if they don't already follow you. Okay, it's time to put this into action. Your activity for this lesson is to brainstorm 3 potential niche ideas that you could focus on. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? Who am I trying to help? What is a gap in the market that I can fill? Don't overthink it, just start exploring. And then in the next lesson, we'll take the next step and discuss how you can create content with depth that resonates with your chosen niche. Remember, finding your niche is not just about picking a topic. It's about building a community, creating a connection, and making a meaningful impact. The power of social media lies in its ability to connect you with the right audience. Now let's use that power to create a community of people who are passionate about what you have to offer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
If you want to keep learning, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.